CAT D6N LGP, and we were asked if we rented a D6 again that we'd do a startup video. So I'm going to just run through quick and show you what everything does. Alright, so to get started, we're going to turn the key over one click. Alright, then it's going to ask you to check the engine oil level. It's okay. Default. Go ahead and start. Alright, now over here, this is your throttle, your hydraulic lock. This is your parking brake. And over here, this is your drive. It's your forward, neutral, reverse switch. This selects your gears. You push it forward to select the next gear up. And then you pull it back to select the next gear down. This is cruise. Over here, lights. This is your eco mode. It's supposed to help save on fuel. This selects your gear range. This is showing your forward and reverse selections. So if I want to just operate it manually, I can just select my gears over here. But if I want to change it so automatically is right here, it's just showing 1.5 forward, 2.5 reverse, 2.5 forward, 2.5 reverse, or 2.5 forward, 1.5 reverse, or off. This is your auto downshift. If you select this, you'll see there's a little light that comes up here, and that will automatically downshift if the dozer gets too overloaded. Down here is your AC controls, and this is your blade controls over here. If I were to pick this up, the blade goes up. Push down, blade goes down. If I tilt it to the left, to the right. If I push this forward, the blade tilts that way. If I tilt it this way, the blade goes that way. This does have a little trigger on the front, which is shaker, which is kind of cool. Over here, this would be for a ripper, which we don't have, and the horn. Alright, so to move forward, I'm going to push my foot on this decelerator and select my high idle. Then I'm going to take the brake off and then select forward. Now as soon as I do that, the tractor is going to start moving. If I let off the decelerator, it'll go open. And then if I want to stop, I'm going to push the decelerator down and just flip this into neutral. I don't really need the brake because I'm on the flat. I'm going to select reverse.